Hey, what is up, nation? In this session, we're going to be talking about what's new in Sketchup 2019. I've been really excited awaiting the release of Sketchup 2019, and it's finally here. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First and foremost, Sketchup has added a subscription-based model. This means Sketchup is available at a lower, more affordable annual cost. For anyone like me who upgrades every year, this is good news. For me to purchase Sketchup Pro 2018 last year, I paid $695. This year for Sketchup Pro 2019, I paid $299, less than half of what I paid last year. Perpetual non-subscription licenses will still exist for anyone who may not want to commit to the new subscription-based model. But it's unclear if the perpetual licenses will always be available for every release. The benefit of the subscription-based model seems to be more frequent updates, not just annual updates. The Sketchup 2019 announcement states, "This shift in our business will keep us accountable to retain your business by releasing new features as often as possible. We are proud to take on this challenge and move our process from an annual update cycle to a features when we've got them cycle." I like the sound of that, but only time will tell how frequently new updates will be released. Of course, it'd be remiss if we didn't get a new scale figure in Sketchup 2019. This year we get Mark, who comes in a lovely shade of blue. No Easter eggs here, he's not a dynamic component. But if you're single and looking to mingle, but I mean, seriously, look at that beard. Who here isn't swiping right on Mark? The tape measure tool has received a few updates to bring information about your 3D model to you quicker. Now you're able to use the tape measure tool to quickly see the absolute coordinates of endpoints and midpoints, areas of faces, and lengths of edges. Probably the biggest update coming to Sketchup 2019 is dashed lines. When you're in the layers flyout, you can now select the type of dash to apply to all edges on that layer. It seems like there's a nice array of dashes here to pick from too. This feature is especially great for anyone creating architectural drawings with SketchUp who wants to see door and window swings in elevations or sections. This new feature, coupled with layers by color and an edge style parameter set to by material, can allow users to get their desired style for drawings quicker. Before reading the release notes, I decided to see if DWG importing had any noticeable difference for me. In terms of speed, there didn't seem to be any difference. The biggest difference is that I noticed some of the line types from the DWG were imported instead of coming in as solid lines. Pretty cool. I also attempted to see how the DWG did when draped onto a face in SketchUp 2019. The result was certainly better than how SketchUp 2018 did, but still nothing to call home about. I started to develop a workflow in 2018 using Trimble Connect, but it quickly fell flat on its face when Trimble Connect was really inconsistent about letting me get access through the desktop app. This seems to be resolved in SketchUp 2019, and I'm looking forward to seeing how that workflow does now. One thing that you get with the subscription-based model of SketchUp is unlimited cloud storage. If you're working on a team and want to utilize some of the Trimble Connect features, such as to-do list, this is certainly helpful. The 3D Warehouse now has a feature to sort by category. This is a nice addition to help you find assets to add to your files a little more quickly. If you'd like to check out all the additions and fixes for SketchUp 2019, I've included a link to the full release notes in the description down below. What are your thoughts about SketchUp 2019? Are you excited about the subscription-based model, or does it get you worried? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you thought this video was helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, happy hacking.